You just found the 2018 Toyota 4Runner. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a rugged Toyota 4Runner that's eager to hit the trail. Engineered to maximize four-wheel drive traction and utility, this no-nonsense SUV offers multiple off-road driving modes, impressive cargo capacity, and modern safety and nav technology. Getting dirty was never more fun. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, keyless start, cooled front seat, backup camera, satellite radio. The hard-working 4Runner won't last long. Why not treat yourself to a test drive? Our knowledgeable staff will make it fun, relaxing, and informative. Come on in. We look forward to meeting you.